Hi, I'm Rich Bevins.
And I'm Casey Evans.
Today we're going to do a video demo on our multi-range voltage indicator, MARVI, model number PSC 4033710. All right, Casey, let's take the audience through the power up mode sequence.
So to power the MARVI on, we utilize this single button interface here on the front plate, and basically what you need to do is press and hold. We tried to design this to be easily used with a gloved hand. So we're just going to press and hold until we hear the audible alarm chirp and then let out. So here we go. Hear the chirp. And what's happening is the needle pointer is actually running all the way up to full scale deflection to make sure that it's not mechanically hung up. So you can see that the needle is functioning as it should. And at full scale, there's a battery life indication. So it will either point into the green or the red area, which is testing the AA batteries inside the unit. So if you're careful and keeping an eye on it there on power up, you can check the batteries as well. Once the self-test has completed and it's in ready mode, we have the green ready LED on and the sense LED on solid, and we're ready to go to the next step.
Very good. Now, for best safe practices, it's best to test before and after each use of any indicator. We also, if there's a known voltage, that's great. Sometimes there's not, and that's why we offer a field tester. And Casey will just describe how we hook up the field tester to test the MARVI.
So we have our field tester here, model number PSC 4033582, and it has two connection points that need to be made to the unit, and basically we need to attach the clip to the input probe of the MARVI, and we need to attach the jack to the input on the meter housing here. When we do that, we're simulating a voltage signal into the unit. So just flip it around where you can see there. And an operable MARVI should indicate voltage when hooked up properly to the field tester. And in this case, we're seeing a value of about 6 kV. So that's a good reading, and that tells us that all of our internal connections are good and we're ready to go ahead and.
All right. And if you would get a very low indication, that may mean the battery, the 9-volt battery in the field tester is low, and or the batteries in the unit itself, but it does have an indication by a flashing light that you have a low battery situation in the MARVI. So, and then again, once you've tested, you're ready to go. Let's take them through the readings and what they mean.
So on the front dial face of the MARVI, basically the needle pointer is going to point right to the phase-to-phase equivalent voltage on this outer scale, or the phase-to-ground equivalent voltage on the innermost scale. So as the needle pointer rises to a value, you can take a look and basically it just points right to the voltage value in kilovolts that you're reading at the time. And this particular model goes from 0 all the way up to 80 kilovolts.
Now the MARVI has a couple of special features. One being that it's Bluetooth technology. So now you can connect your smart device via either Apple or Android, and you will see the unit work and actually the smart device. You can download the app via our website. It's free of charge, or you can go to the Apple Store or the Android Store and download. Let's show them how the hold feature works. This is our other feature.
So this unit has a built-in hold feature that needs to be activated. So what we're going to do is a quick double press of the power button. So sort of like double clicking a mouse, and it's going to put it into hold mode.
That'll be indicated by an orange light, by the way.
So now we have, the orange flashing LED in the front, and I'm going to go ahead and give it a voltage signal with the tester here. And what we should see is that tone increase in intensity until it has finally held its reading, indicated by the solid tone there. So now if we were to remove the voltage or bring it down, we have the reading held in place. And then to reset that, you just press and hold the power button. And now we're back out of hold mode and the unit's powered down.
Excellent situation for nighttime storm activity. The iPad, the technology for the smart devices allows somebody on the ground to take pictures, email themselves, make sure that, hey, we followed the OSHA requirements of taking testing for nominal voltage. So we very strongly, you want to use this as an added, you want to trust this. This is just a verification for you on the ground. You're not to rely on this solely only. Please utilize the tester. Okay, so the Marvy has a low indication for batteries. There's 4 AA's. They can be lithium or regular batteries. The battery door is located in the back. It's retained by 2 Phillips screws. There's a gasket in there that's holding those on. The wire is also connected. So unscrew the screws, obviously, pull it out, replace the 4 AA's. Like I said, they can be lithium or they can be regular. And then when you get it back in the unit, replace the screws, put it back in tight, and then test the unit to make sure everything's working properly, and you're good to go. As with all our indicators, you must use a universal pole, grip ball, shotgun of appropriate length. The universal head, screw it on, make sure it's good and snug. This is a contact device. You want to use it in the middle of the span. Closer you are to a ground, the higher the readings may be. If you're using it in an underground cabinet, it's very important that you use your bushing adapter or elbow adapter of appropriate. So this is for your safety. Always have your universal stick shotgun attached to your indicator. All right, let's recap the Marvy. It is an indicator, it's contact, universal head for appropriate length stick, power on, it's a stepper motor technology, it's going to run over, check the battery first, come back, going to give you an indication that it's ready to go. If you want to activate the hold, you got to kick it twice and you'll see an orange light. And then after that, it'll just see a steady current. There's the battery drawer in the back. And then the most important thing is Bluetooth technology, so you have the reading in your hand. I think that's all I got. What's our warranty on this one?
Same as all of our products, the Marvy carries a standard end-to-end 1-year manufacturer's warranty that protects against any type of defect, material, labor.
Excellent. So you can contact your local Hubble distributor or visit our website at www.bevinsco.com. And have a great day, and thanks for joining us.